Good morning, and we want to start by thanking all of you for participating in the smoke alarm campaign. The American Red Cross, along with the partners, have initiated a goal that they want to reduce the home fires by 25% in the next 5 years. This is part of that campaign. I want to thank the University of Texas Brownsville students for coming. Thank you very much. Also the Rio Grande City Fire Department. They also were instrumental in helping encourage the community to sign up to the smoke alarm campaign. We are participating in a smoke alarm campaign. The Red Cross, along with partners, have launched an initiative aimed at reducing accidents, deaths, injuries caused by home fires. We are trying to reduce those to 25% less in 5 years. The Red Cross is asking the households in the United States to help and join in this campaign by doing 2 simple steps, and that is checking their alarm or installing smoke alarms, and also practicing fire drills within the household. Here in Rio Grande City, we are installing 200 today, or that is our goal. And it appears it's going to be very successful. Residents appear to be home.
Yep. Okay, there we go.